Earthquake preparedness, how to stay safe and reduce impact. Earthquakes are one of the most powerful and awe-inspiring natural phenomena on Earth. They are caused by the movement of tectonic plates beneath the Earth's surface, creating pressure that is released as seismic waves. The Richter scale is used to measure the magnitude of earthquakes, with a magnitude 7 earthquake being considered major. Earthquakes can happen anywhere in the world, but are more common in certain areas, such as the Pacific Rim or the Ring of Fire. The impact of earthquakes on human populations can be devastating, including loss of life and displacement of communities. The cost of rebuilding after an earthquake can be massive, with estimates in the billions of dollars. Seismologists and engineers play a crucial role in predicting and mitigating the impact of earthquakes. Seismologists use data to create maps of seismic activity, while engineers design buildings and infrastructure to withstand earthquakes. Early warning systems can alert people to an impending earthquake, giving them precious time to prepare. The study of earthquakes provides valuable insights into the inner workings of our planet, including the composition and temperature of the Earth's interior. Earthquakes can trigger volcanic eruptions, providing a unique opportunity for scientists to study both events. They can also help geologists locate and map underground mineral deposits. The goal of earthquake research is to minimize the impact of these events on human populations. By studying earthquakes, we can learn about the Earth's crust, tectonic plates, and the forces that shape our planet. Earthquakes offer a glimpse into the past, revealing evidence of ancient tectonic activity. Understanding earthquakes is also important for managing natural resources, such as water and minerals. Earthquakes can disrupt water systems, so understanding these events can help us protect these resources. Earthquakes can also have a profound impact on ecosystems, causing changes in soil and vegetation patterns. They can cause long-lasting changes to the landscape, such as the formation of valleys and mountains. Earthquakes can even influence climate patterns and the ocean currents, making them a crucial factor in our planet's complex systems. Despite the damage they cause, earthquakes can also create new opportunities for life, such as by creating new habitats for plants and animals. The energy released by earthquakes can also be harnessed for human use, such as through geothermal energy. Earthquakes have also played a role in shaping human civilization, such as by altering trade routes and causing the rise and fall of empires. They have inspired art, literature, and mythology, serving as a source of wonder and fear throughout human history. Earthquakes have been studied for thousands of years, with early recordings dating back to ancient Greece and China. Advances in technology, such as early warning systems and seismology, have greatly improved our understanding of earthquakes. The more we know about earthquakes, the better equipped we are to prepare for and respond to these events in the future. Public education and awareness are crucial in helping communities prepare for earthquakes and respond appropriately. International collaboration is also important in the study of earthquakes, as they have a global impact and affect us all. The study of earthquakes provides valuable information that can be used to save lives and protect communities. There are several ways to prepare for earthquakes, including having an emergency kit, creating a plan with your family, and retrofitting your home to withstand seismic activity. It's also important to educate yourself about the warning signs of an earthquake, such as strange animal behavior and the presence of small earthquakes known as foreshocks. During an earthquake, it's important to take cover under a sturdy table or desk and stay away from windows, doors, and heavy furniture. After an earthquake, it's crucial to check on loved ones, avoid using elevators and electrical equipment, and be aware of aftershocks. Earthquakes can also trigger tsunamis, making it important to evacuate low-lying areas if you are near the coast. Relief efforts after earthquakes are often coordinated by government agencies, non-profit organizations, and first responders. These efforts may include providing food, water, and medical care to affected communities, as well as rebuilding homes and infrastructure. Donating to relief organizations and volunteering your time can greatly assist communities affected by earthquakes. The scientific community is constantly working to improve earthquake prediction and early warning systems, as well as understanding the factors that contribute to their formation. The use of technology, such as artificial intelligence and satellite imaging, has greatly advanced our understanding of earthquakes. Understanding earthquakes is not only important for emergency preparedness, but also for advancing our knowledge of the Earth and its systems. There is still much to be learned about earthquakes, and ongoing research is crucial to improving our understanding of these events. Sharing information and working together can help us better understand and prepare for earthquakes, making our communities safer. The study of earthquakes is a testament to our continued pursuit of knowledge and our desire to protect and serve humanity. Earthquakes are a reminder of the power of nature and the importance of being prepared for natural disasters. We have the power to reduce the impact of earthquakes on our communities through preparedness and education. Every earthquake has the potential to teach us something new about our planet and its systems. By studying earthquakes, we can work to create a safer, more resilient future for all of us. Earthquakes may be unpredictable and powerful, but with the right knowledge and preparation, we can be better equipped to face these challenges and emerge stronger. Thanks for watching.